Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, I am Richard. This is my channel, and I am here with a book haul and one of the 365 stupidest things ever said, 2022 edition. We have March 10th here. On consistency, inconsistent. I've been consistent in patches this season. Soccer player Theo Walcott. It's football. Not soccer. That's what the world calls it, and that's what we have to call it. Alright. Here, you can think. For every 1,000 subscribers, I get a new purchase one of these bracelets from 4Ocean. 4Ocean pulls a pound of trash out of the ocean every time I do that. So if you'd be so kind as to comment, like, and subscribe, you're doing your part for a better world. Maybe I can get a more interesting calendar next time. Anyway, on to my books, as I slowly catalog my massive collection. Step by Step Tai Chi, The Natural Way to Strengthen Health, Master Lam Kam Chun. Right, I think I bought this to go with a college class as supplementary reading. Okay. Mafioso, A History of the Mafia from the Origins to the Present. Gaia Cervedio. History book. Emma Goldman, Revolutions as a Way of Life. Vivian Garnick. I'm assuming this is a biography? Yale University Press. Okay. Alright. Bruce Lee's Fighting Method. Skill and Techniques. A Bruce Lee and M. Uehara. Again, one of my older brother's books. Oscar Wilde, Complete Short Fiction. World Classics. Alright. 5 more books from my collection. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. I'm Richard. Roar! It would be unbearable if you didn't comment, like, and subscribe. Don't eat my porridge.